What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Dglocc.
It's your boy Dmack.
And we're back with another video. So today we're going to switch it up a little bit. As you've seen already, we already dropped 3 videos from our Punta Cana trip. And we had a lot of comments, DMs, and just concerns in general about our trip. Maybe it was like some questions on what we did, some do's or don'ts, or whatever, y'all. So we're just gonna talk about it today. So basically today really just gonna be a little vlog slash story time type of thing. So definitely stay tuned. In the meantime, we really just gonna be running some errands. I definitely have to go to the hair store to get stuff for the house because I want to put a mirror back there.
Yeah, we probably gonna go to the outlets. Family's having sun in Florida, so I'm gonna start looking for some clothes now.
Yeah, just see what they got. So
yeah,
we're gonna take y'all with us, but like I said, definitely stay tuned because y'all don't want to miss nothing. We're gonna be touching on a lot of things that we did on the trip, and what not to do and things like that. So
without further ado,
let's just get into the video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a thing. And we out of here.
Tell mama what's your name. Wanna take you shopping, wanna buy you fun thing. Stepping out in public, put them diamonds on your chain. Take you to the crib, I wanna hear you scream my name. Yeah, scream my name. Scream my name. You scream my name.
Is it stretching just like that? And it's the same one. So we're gonna do the same thing.
So I'm looking for a bonnet now because I asked the lady if she said it's called a case. So I just want to put all my hair stuff in one spot basically. Look at Bow Wow. Hey yo, roll bounce. Anyway, long story short, y'all, she said to get it off of Amazon because it'll be the cheapest. But let's see what Dmack is looking at. Because all I see is colors. What is this?
it's like a little turban jewel.
Oh.
Yeah, I just need a regular black jewel. So we just left the hair store. I got these little scarf joints that I can tie around my head and make it into a turban. If you watch our other videos of Punta Cana, I had them big ass joints wrapped around my head, and this is like a more kind of like a thinner layer.
Y'all can hear us over the air because we definitely got this joint busting. But I ain't forget about y'all. I gotta add my don't. One thing I'm gonna say don't do. How can I word this? I wouldn't say don't do it. Just be on the lookout for, what's the word for it, D? Like,
man, they gonna try to make you spend your money.
they are. Like, I don't know the word for it, y'all. Help me.
If they offer anything, like you're on the beach or if you're walking across the beach and they offer you to do anything, take a picture, buy this, always ask for the price before you even continue to look at anything. Because they will get you, they'll take pictures. We took them parrot pictures and they charged us, he tried to charge us $200 for them. $200 for pictures with a parrot. Never again, yo. We ended up paying like $120 for them. Damn! Never again.
And y'all know what's crazy? Then the guy had the nerve to tell us, because you know Dominicans like black people for real, so he had the nerve to tell us, like, you know, my brother, I got you for the discount. Like, why you lying? The whole time he taking our pictures, the whole time. Yeah, why you lying? What is the discount? Taking a picture with a parrot? Y'all, I was fed up. So I didn't even know. I'm just going with the flow at first. And we take pictures with parrots, like we took it, what, in Miami?
Yeah, free.
Nah, we had to pay, I think. It was like $20.
That's for free. That's nothing.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna drop the pictures in this video so y'all can really see the difference of like the mood before the pictures and the mood when we found out how much it was. Y'all, another thing, because we got a little ride. What we got, like 10 minutes before we get there? 5. So another thing, when we went ATV riding, they took pictures. They told us we don't have to bring our cameras because they're going to take pictures of us on the
boogies.
Yeah, like on the during the excursion, they're going to take pictures and stuff. Red flag number 1. I brought my GoPro anyway. As you can see, we have a YouTube video, but I brought my GoPro, so we have some pics here and there. But in the end, when we went to go look at them, he said for all of our pictures, there had to be maybe like 10. He said for all of them, it would be $60.
No. He said for all of them, they would be $66. Mind you, say it again. I'm say the price again. $66 for all 10 photos. I asked him, okay. She didn't like all the photos, so I said, okay, how many for just one? This man said $60. For one picture.
I asked him again because I didn't believe it. So I'm like, okay, so this, so boom, boom, making sure I'm picking up what he putting down. And he said it again, so he was dead serious. Alright, one more don't that I have is do not go out there without bug spray. Oh my god, y'all, we got tore up. And the crazy thing is we actually put on, well, we didn't put on bug spray, we put on the natural remedy they gave us, as you can see in the Monkey Land video. And that's when my legs got tore up. Dion's arms was tore up, and like it was bad, y'all. It wasn't just like our mosquitoes here. Like I thought I was bit by like I was gonna say bad, but
What the fuck? Stop playing.
but either way, y'all, it was really bad. So make sure y'all definitely have off. Make sure you bring it or buy it before you get there, because we spent $25 on off, where if we would have bought it here, it probably would have been like no more than $5.
We spent $25 on off?
Everything that we did. Like even the soap, we didn't have I forgot to get a bar of soap. I usually bring Dove soap. Had to buy it there. I don't even want to know how much. I'm gonna say that was probably like $12 for a bar of soap, because they were just taxing on everything. So definitely
$20? Yo, where was I at for all this, yo? That's wild.
Yeah, the cheapest one that we saw was $22, and I didn't know the brand, so I was like, I might as well get the brand that I know for $25. Y'all definitely go ahead and make sure you have everything that you need before you get there, because you do not want to have to buy it when you get there. So that's one of the don'ts that I feel like you should take with you from this video.
We spent like $200 on stuff that had nothing to do with any adventure.
Yeah,
It's $120 on the pictures. You said $20 for the soap. That's $140. Another $25 for the bug spray. That's $165. And what we spent $30 on the bath bomb. That's
but we bought 2 bath bombs.
That's like two.
Yeah.
That's like $215, $210.
Yeah, y'all, that's really the only don'ts that I have. We have more good things and bad things to say about it, but definitely take into consideration what I'm saying, because like I said, when we tell y'all this story, this water story, probably gonna tell y'all when we leave Burlington, which we're about to pull up to right now. We'll see y'all when we get into the store.
A few moments later.
Get the Gucci daddy shorts.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how we coming. We showing a little bit of thigh. Yeah.
So one thing that I wanted to surprise you with, D, was I wanted to take you on a shopping spree. Like, I like this. I seen it earlier when I was here by myself. I was gonna get you this outfit, and I was gonna put it with this. Here, hold it together so they can see the full effect. Matter of fact, hold it up to yourself. So I like, look, why not? Come on, and you a hustler, so it's like, hustle, why not?
Boy, if you don't get
it go with you well. And now I was gonna get you the Echo shorts to go with it.
You know what's crazy? The person I am, I would turn this into a gym fit and still make it look good.
Oh my god.
Honestly, I don't really like this color. But
you would get it for your game room if it was red?
Yeah, if this is red, I would definitely cop that. I guess so, yeah.
Let's see if they have plants at least. I was gonna give you a plant.
She is not ready to get a plant. By the time she get done with our crib, it's more like a jungle.
No, by the time I get done, we're gonna be moving out. And today's not a good find.
I thought I caught the camera off, but look at this. Nothing in our hands. The walk of shame. The bad bitch mobile. Yeah.
2 hours later.
We gonna give him some toys, or he's still on punishment?
I don't even know. I don't know if he deserves any toys.
It's only $60. I like frameless mirrors.
So this one.
Maybe I could have my mirror back.
What mirror did you that I got that's yours?
Stand up.
It's got a frame on it though.
Not well, it does, but I'm saying like it's more mirror than it is.
So this the one you want to get?
No, heck no. This don't go with the living room.
Oh wow, 'cause it kind of was throwing me off. Once I see them gray right here, I was like, we just talked about getting a white mirror.
Honestly, I don't know why I thought I was gonna just walk into a store and find the mirror that I want.
We should just went to Walmart.
Either way.
You over it, huh?
Y'all, so
Still don't got nothing.
we don't have nothing. We about to walk to Marshall's. We just had like a 5-minute discussion on if we wanted to walk because it's so hot. Mind y'all, it's not that far, but
Says you. Go ahead.
so we about to go to Marshall's because y'all know TJ Maxx and Marshall's are basically the same store. Hopefully they have something that I like or that I want. But we're gonna see. If I walk out the store with no bags again, I'm really gonna be tight. I'm not leaving the house again for the rest of the day.
Third store today.
I'm tired of being disappointed. So I'm just gonna stick to Amazon and stick to what I know best, y'all, because Amazon never fails. Alright y'all, so again, clearly I walked out with absolutely nothing. Today is not my day. Nah, this actually happens to me all the time, so put your seatbelt on. But at least Dion got him a little pair of shorts or whatever. But this is basically gonna conclude our vlog because we have nowhere else to go and I'm just tired of being disappointed. So we're on our way back home. And I just wanted to give y'all the quick story time real quick about our experience drinking the water in Punta Cana. But let me just start first by saying, as a spoiled American, I didn't believe that they would even offer anything that could get me sick. I'm like, there's no way. Why would y'all pour me a glass of water then if I couldn't drink it? So that's where I messed up. But when I tell y'all, it is so hard to avoid not drinking water. Even if I didn't blatantly down a glass of water, brushing your teeth.
A jacuzzi, we got in the shower.
Yes, like the shower, the jacuzzi, just things in general that had water that probably really messed us up.
It didn't hit me till the last day.
Exactly.
Right before we got on the plane.
For me, it hit me when we got to the Dominican Republic airport. I was hype as hell to finally have American food because at first I thought that it was just the food. Like, I'm not used to it. So we go to Wendy's. I already don't eat Wendy's like that in America. As soon as I took a bite of the nuggets, y'all, what clip were we recording? The resort tour? Was that it? Yeah. If you go back to that video in the resort tour, I was eating it and you could just tell I was just, bro, my stomach was just not it. And I literally went to the bathroom and I threw up. Literally on the flight. I'm texting my friend like, yo, had these tacos ready. We came back on Cinco de Mayo. So I'm like, had these tacos ready. I'm gonna tear these tacos up. Came home at like 11 o'clock at night. She dropped the tacos off, threw it up like immediately.
I was just very shitty. Just everything was just shit. And it didn't hit me till the last day when I started using the bathroom. I was like, alright, it's a little runny. Then they paid no mind. Then
It's the details for me.
before we even got on the plane for our first flight, there was no toilet seats. Granted, she was throwing up. She don't need a toilet seat.
Yeah.
As a dude, come on, bro. You don't got no toilet seat, so now I'm in there, got diarrhea. In there holding both the walls and squatting. I was just pooping for like at least 5 times a day for like 2.5 days.
Then there were certain times where I could eat and I would stuff myself because I'm like, bro, I'm really malnourished. thirst out here. Like I'm really losing nutrients. It was really a bad experience. I thought I was dying, but I definitely did just want to tell y'all that because we was down for a few days. We ain't had no content and stuff like that. But either way, I hope y'all like this video. It's a different style video. I'm trying to do more vlogs and stuff like that because those are things that we could do every day.
Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Well, our goal is to get to 100K subscribers. That's the first goal. 100K, then 200K, then 300K.
But we're gonna start with the road to 10K. So we on the road to 10K, y'all.
We're on the road to 100K. Shoot for the stars.
Okay, I'm baby steps. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a thing.
Ring a ding ding.
And we out.